Should you go for comfort? Should you go for technical features, downturned or flat bouldering shoes? With more experience, you will know exactly what you need. But for now, your best option is to pick from well-established shoes, used by thousands and thousands of beginners, and recommended by experts and amateurs alike. We did the hard work and found 3 that will be excellent for bouldering beginners. Here's a quick overview before we get into their details. At number 3, we have the Scarpa Vapor V shoes. Awesome all-around performance, durable, comfortable with moderate camber, minimal toe patch, suitable for indoor and outdoor, versatile for various climbing styles, manages moderately overhung projects, excellent edging capability, Vibram XS Edge 2/3 sole, flex and 1.4 mm midsole. At number 2, we have the Scarpa Velos. Ultra soft and flexible construction, excellent sensitivity for beginners, lightweight and breathable design, slightly downturned, comfortable with a relaxed fit, minimal and non-restrictive construction, simple and effective Velcro closure, ideal for smearing and friction moves, not suited for small pockets or cracks. At number 1, we have the Adidas 510 Nyet Moccasym, 4.2 mm Stealth C4 rubber sole, unlined suede leather upper material, elastic slipper closure design, can be resoled for longevity, ideal for bouldering and short climbs, toe rubber excellent for edge support, offers great support and precision, great for dedicated beginner climbers. Let's get into the details now. We place the Scarpa Vapor V at number 3 because it offers excellent all-around performance, durability, and great value for money. The shoe's moderate camber and padded tongue ensure comfort, making it easy for newcomers to focus on their climbing without being distracted by foot pain. While the Vapor V isn't specialized in any single activity, its versatility makes it an ideal starter shoe, offering solid performance across various climbing styles. Although the minimal toe patch isn't perfect for hooking, and it's not designed for foot jamming and cracks, the Vapor V is well suited for both indoor and outdoor sport climbing. Versatility is the standout feature of the Scarpa Vapor V, making it perfect for beginners who need a shoe that can handle different climbing scenarios. It still smears nicely and can manage moderately overhung projects, giving new climbers a broad range of capabilities. It adapts well to various terrains and holds, offers excellent edging capability due to its precise toe point and asymmetrical shape. It is supported by the Vibram XS Edge 2/3 sole and flex and 1.4 mm midsole. Although stiffer shoes generally aren't the best for smearing, the Vapor V manages well thanks to its moderate camber and split sole. The redesigned heel cup is versatile for heel hooks, though the minimal toe patch limits toe hooking performance. Durability is another strong suit of the Vapor V, with the XS Edge rubber offering both durability and excellent edging. The 7-panel upper design and intricate stitching around the toe box minimize stretch, ensuring a long lifespan. The Vapor V fits climbers with narrow feet best, providing a snug fit with its dual Velcro closure and mesh tongue. Overall, it is a great choice for a beginner boulderer. Do remember that links to these 3 shoes are in the description below. The number 2 ranked best bouldering shoes for beginners are the Scarpa Veloses. These are iconic climbing shoes, recommended by many climbers. An outstanding choice for beginners in bouldering and climbing. It is incredibly comfortable and sensitive, and helps new climbers feel every nuance of the rock, making it easier to learn and improve their technique. Its ultra-soft construction and breathable, lightweight materials ensure that climbers can wear it for extended periods without discomfort. The shoe has a vegan-friendly design, made from synthetic materials. Unlike traditional beginner shoes, which are often stiff and rigid, the Velos offers a soft and flexible feel that enhances sensitivity and foot placement. This design feature is particularly helpful for those new to climbing, as it allows them to better understand how to use their feet effectively. While it excels in smearing and friction-dependent moves thanks to its minimal midsole and flexible sole, it may not be the best choice for advanced techniques. The Velos' design includes a relaxed fit with a wider toe box, making it comfortable for a variety of foot shapes. Its simple Velcro closure system, though occasionally prone to snagging, provides easy on and off access. The soft microfiber upper and flexible midsole contribute to its comfort. For beginners who are just starting to build their skills, the Velos' comfort and adaptability make it a great choice. Finally, at the number 1 spot we have the 510 Nyet Moccasyms. We feel that they are a standout choice for beginner boulderers, offering a blend of comfort and performance that makes it ideal for them. Featuring a 4.2mm Stealth Seat for rubber sole, unlined suede leather upper, and an elastic slipper closure, these shoes are easy to slip on and off, perfect for the quick transitions needed in bouldering. The shoe's design ensures a snug fit, with the leather upper stretching over time to mold to your foot, enhancing both comfort and performance. Although they run small, about 0.5 to 1 size, this ensures a precise fit once broken in, and the shoes can be resoled, adding to their longevity. The Stealth C4 rubber is known for its stickiness and excellent engineering, providing superb traction on a variety of surfaces. The updated model includes toe rubber running up the top of the foot, making it easier to perform toe hooks and other advanced techniques. This feature, combined with the stiffer midsole, gives the Nyet Moccasym an edge in precision and support, helping beginners develop their skills more effectively. The shoe's slipper style is especially beneficial for bouldering. While the Nyet Moccasym is priced higher than some other beginner shoes, it's ideal for dedicated beginners who plan to climb frequently and are serious about improving their skills. Despite some concerns about the toe rubber wearing out quickly, the ability to resole these shoes ensures they can be a long-term part of your climbing gear. The 510 Nyet Moccasym is an excellent investment if you're committed to climbing and want a shoe that will grow with you. That brings us to the end of this video on the best bouldering shoes for beginners. We hope you liked our choices. Do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more such videos. Also do share your own thoughts about the best bouldering shoes for beginners in the comments section below.